Suppose you witness your best friend commit a crime that could destroy lives. The police investigate and ask for your testimony. Do you protect your friend out of loyalty or speak the truth and risk losing the friendship forever?
You can count on us for everything you need because everything we talk about is important.
Hello everyone, my name is Ability Godwin and welcome to Everything Important. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about hypothetical scenarios. So without no further ado, let me just get right into the video and hope you like the video, share, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification icon for more videos like this to come. So let's get right into the video. Our first hypothetical scenario goes this way. Now, this scenario is about career and purpose. I'll read it out for you. Let me hear your opinion and your thoughts on this. Leave a comment below if you have anything relating to this topic. So let's go. Imagine you've worked for 15 years in a career that pays well but makes you miserable. One day, you get the chance to start afresh in something you love, but it means starting from bottom with no guarantee of success. Do you choose comfort or purpose? Do you choose comfort or purpose? Also remember, your previous job was miserable. You finally had a chance to create the life you've always wanted. I want to hear your thoughts on this. Will you create a new life for yourself or will you continue being miserable? The choice is yours. Let me hear your opinion on it. Moving on to the next question. This next question goes this way. It's about money and morality. Hypothetically, this is the question. Suppose you are offered 5 million to sign a deal, but you know the money comes from shady practice that could harm innocent people. Do you accept the money and secure your future or reject it and stay broke with a clean conscience? Now, this is an important question because of the way a society is actually structured now, wheeling a lot of young people into doing something they aren't proud of. Now, this is a question that I want you to carefully think about it. If you have something to say about this and you can't just type, but you want your voice to be heard, feel free to go on the YouTube page, Everything Important Podcast, in one word. Go to About Us. You will see an email, complaint email. Click on that email and write us, and we will schedule a live video session with you. It's free, and we will ask you a couple of questions that you can tell us more about it. Now, if you like videos like this and videos like this alone, make sure to like and share, subscribe, turn on your bell notification icon for more videos like this. So thank you very much. Moving on to the next question about morality, which was a very amazing question, and let me hear your thoughts about it. So let's go to our third question. Now, this question is about love and loyalty. About love and loyalty, I know everybody love to have a loyal friend or a loyal lover when it comes to the topic of love and loyalty. But this question actually peers a lot into the minds of that. Let's hear the scenario that I'm going to play to you and let me see how you can answer this. Now, the question goes this way. Imagine you are engaged to someone you deeply love, but a week before your wedding, you discover they once betrayed you and never told you. Do you still go ahead with the marriage or do you walk away despite all the years you've invested? This is a very hard thing because I wouldn't say that it's easy to say I'll walk away because there is a lot of time and effort invested in this. But I will say that if what happened didn't make you happy, the only option is to walk away at this point. But again, I would also consider the fact that there is a lot of time invested in this. I want to hear your thoughts on this. Do you just walk away or do you stay? Let me know. If you walk away. Why? If you say why, if you can type the comment below, feel free to request for the live interview. Thank you very much. Moving on to the next question. This next hypothetical scenario plays in the field of society and justice. Suppose you witness your best friend commit a crime that could destroy lives. The police investigate and ask for your testimony. Do you protect your friend out of loyalty or speak the truth and risk losing the friendship forever? First of all, my friend commits a crime that implicates the life of innocent people, not just one life, but multiple lives. I don't think I'm gonna let that slide. My nigga, I'm snitching on you. I'm snitching because one, because you're my friend doesn't give you the right to act funny or move funny. So for me, I'm snitching. What's your take on this scenario? What would you do? Leave a comment below. Also, for the final question, for the final scenario, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go do the subscription. Like it, share the videos to your friends, and turn on your post notification icon. And leave us a comment relating to all these questions and scenarios we've been playing out to you. Personal growth and identity is the field of which this scenario is played on. Let's go. Imagine you woke up tomorrow in a new city with no name, no past, and no connection. Nobody knows who you are. Do you rebuild yourself into a better version of who you've always wanted to be, or do you cling to the identity you left behind? Having a fresh start is always a refreshing thing for everybody. Everybody wants to have a fresh start. But question is, are you willing to commit to what makes you a new person? The challenges of not knowing how to start, not knowing who to talk to, that's the question you get to ask yourself. But regardless, thank you very much for sticking around till the end of this video. I hope you like it and I hope the questions were impactful. Also, leave a comment below if you like any of the questions and if you have something to say about them. Thank you. See you in our next episode. Goodbye for now. If you've made it to the end of the video, what's your take on this? Leave a comment below and subscribe.